Saan kayo, ma'am?
Hello, Union High.
From La Union, then how may I help you, ma'am? Why are you here?
Tatanong lang po about sa
About what?
business po.
Okay. Then, what's louder, ma'am? So that I can understand.
Wow.
I cannot.
You're
I did not hear I did not bring my hearing aid. That's why, it's at my age, I'm 60 years old now. Therefore, can you speak louder?
Who is your do's and don'ts in the workplace?
Mga hindi dapat. Kailangan pag ingatan mo yung mga customer mo, ibigay mo yung magandang quality ng produkto, nang sa gayon babalik sila at may promote nila sa iba yung makakilala yung negosyo mo. Nang sa ganun lumago ito. And next question.
Next question. Ano po yung ginagamit nyo para makita nyo po yung lumalabas at pumapasok na pera?
That's a wonderful question. And this is my wonderful answer. That's very easy. Kailangan mo talagang i-manage na yung kapital mo, dapat yung papasok na pera, mas malaki doon sa kapital. May tanggal mo ng mga expenses doon, nakikita ka rin. Kasi kung hindi lalago, hindi lalaki yung negosyo.
May particular po kayo na kailangan isuot or wala naman po?
Hindi naman, basta formal lang.
Formal.
Siyempre, para presentable naman sa mga customer na dadating. I'm wearing also a simple t-shirt with my simple hairstyle. Ayun lang.
Ilang hours po yung work usually?
Depende. Kung maraming ginagawa, abutin kami ng mga alas 5, alas 6. Pag kinakailangan, abutin ng mga alas 7, alas 8. Ganyan.
Ano po yung usual na pinapagawa sa inyo?
That's a wonderful question again. This is my wonderful answer again. Kadalasan, uniform.
Uniform.
Yeah. Uniform, alteration, any kind of sewing works.
Gumagawa po kayo ng gown po?
Of course.
Yun lang po. Yun lang po yung question.
More question. Okay, this is my... No more question?